A few months ago, I had momentum. I was posting videos consistently, working towards my goal, and I was trying to build something for myself. Then life happened, and when I finally decided to come back, I discovered something surprising. Starting again felt much harder than starting the first time. If you've ever stopped working on a goal, be it studies, finances, health, YouTube, or something very important to you, this video is for you. Today, I want to talk about something that many people don't discuss enough. Why is it difficult to start again? Hello, my name is Anne, and you're welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like my video. Leave your comments in the comments box below. When I first started my YouTube channel, I was so excited. I was motivated. I had ideas. I was curious. Everything felt new. Even all the challenges I faced as at that time were so exciting because I finally got to do what I had wanted to do for a long time. Now, when you start again, the excitement isn't always there. And most times it's as if you are carrying the burden of disappointment, you are carrying the burden of missed plans, you are carrying the awareness that you have fallen behind. And all of this put together change the emotional experience entirely. When I returned, I noticed how easy it was for me to focus on what I had lost. My watch hours disappeared, like went down to zero for not posting for like 3 months or thereabout. The momentum was no longer there. The routine that I had built disappeared, and all of this put together to me looked as if all my efforts, everything I've put into this channel had gone down the drain. But that is not the case. I might have lost momentum, I might have lost my routine, but I didn't lose my experience. I didn't lose the things I have learned on this journey. And if you are in the same situation right now and you feel like all the efforts you have put into maybe getting your goal or achieving your goal or getting something done just because you took a break is wasted or lost, no, it is not. You might have lost momentum, just like I said. You might have lost your routine. The zeal might not be there anymore. Whatever you have learned, the experience you have gathered, they are still there. And you can always pick up from where you left off. And one thing again is I didn't lose my courage. Even though I was focusing on what I had lost, the courage for me to start again was still there. And that is why I'm here today. So if you find yourself in this kind of situation, brace up and start again. One lesson I've been learning from all of this is that life doesn't always wait for our plans. Sometimes things happen that force us to stop. Sometimes our priorities change. And sometimes we just need time to process things before we can move on. Now, for a very long time, I had thought that consistency meant never stopping. Like you just have to be there, like always, you don't have to stop. But now I know better and I understand better that consistency could mean returning, consistency could mean getting back up when you are able to. Consistency could also mean continuing the journey even when the timeline feels different or changes from what you ever imagined. One very big mistake I could make right now is trying to make up for lost time. Trying to be perfect, trying to do everything at once, trying to grow at once. But then, instead of that, I have chosen to rebuild my progress one video, one upload, one step, and one day at a time. So, if you're trying to rebuild your finances, or you're trying to return to a business idea, or you're trying to get healthy again, or maybe you're even trying to, continue with a dream that you paused, I want you to know something. Starting again doesn't mean you're a failure, it doesn't mean that you failed. it only means that you never give up. And that is something to be proud of. I am proud of myself that I didn't give up on this channel. I am proud of myself that I'm able to, come back here again and start again. And if you are able to do this, I think you should be proud of yourself too. If this video resonated with you or motivated you to start again, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel. So finally, right now, I'm rebuilding, not perfectly and not quickly, but intentionally. And maybe that's just enough. To my subscribers, thank you for waiting. Thank you for being here. Thank you for staying. And if you're starting again too, let me know in the comments. I would love to read your story. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.